Hello there, this is Jonathan Aguilar, and today I wanted to show you a quick review about Dropfunnels, what it can do for you and your business regardless of what type of business you're actually promoting online now. You can create funnels, you can create websites, you have a powerful, very powerful SEO blogging platform here. You also have a really fast loading times with these websites, with these funnels. There's a ton of stuff that you can do with Dropfunnels. And as you can see here, if I'm actually on the sales page of Dropfunnels, but if I scroll down, it shows you exactly what you can get, and I encourage you to check out the page here that I'm actually seeing, and I'll leave a link in the description somewhere around this video, so make sure you check out the link, click on the link and check out this exact page that I'm looking at right now. But as you can see, you get at the very bottom, you can get websites with unlimited pages, unlimited funnels and funnel steps, unlimited membership sites that you and courses that you can actually create. You can also add your own Stripe account there, where you can collect payments. You can do a link tracker. You can you name it. You can add your own custom domain mapping to it. Hosting is actually included into your membership as well. And right now, my friends, depending on when you're watching this video, Dropfunnels, you can start Dropfunnels for free for the first 14 days, I believe it is. For the first 2 weeks, you get it for free, and then it's only $50 a month for the cheapest membership that they have right now. Now, I don't know how long are they planning to keep it at this low price, but I can tell you this much: it is a steal of a deal. So if you are looking into creating funnels, into creating membership sites, into creating courses, into charging for your courses online, into creating websites, into just having your website ranked on the Google, on the search engines like Google, Dropfunnels is for you. It's super fast, it's super efficient, it's super easy to use. Now, I'm gonna go into the members area basically. And so this is the Dropfunnels members area. This is what it's going to look like once you log in. And as you can see, we have a ton of stuff. Now I already have my website here hosted. And by the way, the main reason why I decided to go with Dropfunnels was because I already had a website set up in GoDaddy. And the hosting was all messed up, the website was all messed up, the SSL was all messed up, and I could not, for the love of whatever it's out there, get into my website. I contacted GoDaddy, I contacted everybody that I could to try to have my website back and running, and I could not get it to work. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna restart all over. I'm gonna create a brand new website, which I did, and it actually looks like this, by the way. So I did this with Dropfunnels. Super simple, super easy. All you have to do is basically follow the instructions that they're gonna give you inside here. Just get it here and there, and you can customize your website as good and as much as you want. And one of the main things that I was concerned about, you could say, is the content that I had on my old website. And guess what? Dropfunnels made it super easy for me to actually copy and paste. Just copy all of the content, all of the blog posts that I had on my old website, and bring it into Dropfunnels. So for example, right here, this is some of the content that I had back in my website, and this is what I was most concerned about. I didn't really care about how the website looked. I just cared about the content that was in it. And again, Dropfunnels made it super easy for me to actually grab that and grab all my content and bring it over to my Dropfunnels. But yeah, so that's what happened here with Dropfunnels, and this is the main reason why I decided to switch to Dropfunnels, just so I could have my website set up here with SSL all included, hosting all included, all for a minimum price of $49. And then again, by the time you're watching this video, I'm not sure if they still have that package, but if you do, and if they do, I highly encourage you to get it right away. So make sure you click on the link somewhere on this video. So let me go back to the back office of Dropfunnels. As you can see, there's a ton of stuff here, and you're gonna have a welcome to Dropfunnels kind of tutorials where Jordan Medrick, which happens to be the founder of Dropfunnels, guides you through the whole thing on how to set up your blog, how to build a sales funnel, how to create headers, footers, menus, and all that good stuff. And by the way, if for whatever reason you have any questions, or you have any just anything, you can go to the support tab here on the very right side, click on it, and basically they'll give you a video here, explaining how the whole knowledge base and support works, how you can join the Facebook group of Dropfunnels, by the way, which, by the way, that Facebook group is active 24/7 pretty much. There's tons of people there. Everybody's helping each other. So if you have any questions, once you join Dropfunnels, by clicking the link below, or the link somewhere on this video, just ask your questions on the Facebook group, and somebody will answer you. Sometimes even Jordan Medrick, the founder of Dropfunnels, will answer to you. So if you had any other more questions, you would just go to the knowledge base, and as you can see here, there is tons of stuff that you can click on. So for example, integrations on how to put your Stripe account in there, your membership sites, how to create membership sites, anything, how to host how to become an affiliate, how to customize a website, and yeah. So there is a ton, by the way. There is view more, Dropfunnels. I mean, there is a ton of stuff, and this is the information that I use to be able to grab my my blog, my blogs, or my blog post from my old website, and bring it over to Dropfunnels. So you're gonna find all of the stuff here, and you can just click do a search here, and just you would just kind of find whatever it is that you're looking for. So do a search. They have all the support that you need, and if for whatever reason that doesn't help you, then you just can come over here, submit a ticket, and they'll answer you as soon as they can. But with that being said, let me go back again to the Dropfunnels back office. As you can see, we have the membership sites here where you can create memberships. So if you have a team of people, or maybe just a team of people, or somebody you want to give access to a membership, you can actually create a membership here. So you have integrations here, which basically allows you to host your own domain, and host your own domain here on Dropfunnels. Again, the link tracker would actually give you access to kind of like a pretty link type of deal. You can just have it here, create a redirection, and as you can see, you use your main domain, and then you can put the destination URL, the redirection, and I usually go with permanent redirect. So just remember to do that. So with that being said, we have products here that you can create. You can create a new product. The leads that you have here, it will show you the leads here that are coming into the funnel, and it also shows you how to create funnels. Now this is the cool stuff. This is where funnels are created. So I'm just going to show you really quick. I'm just going to create a brand new funnel, and I'm just going to name it my name. And obviously I don't know how to type my own name, I guess. So I'm just gonna go and create a new funnel, and there is tons and tons of themes that you can use. And by the way, these guys are adding themes like crazy almost every other day, and so I'm sure by the time you're watching this, there's gonna be a ton more. So once I create a funnel flow, a brand new flow, this is my brand new funnel, I will just go to edit, and this will actually bring me to the module where I can just literally add whatever I have. One here, I can start from scratch, or I can just simply go to the template side here on the right side, and as you can see, we have landing pages, content pages, custom pages, call to action, contact info, blah blah blah, Google Maps heading, and so on and so on. So there is a ton here. For the sake of this video, I'm just gonna go with content page, and I'm gonna scroll down. Actually, no, you know what? Let's go with landing page. So I'm gonna go with landing page, and I'm just gonna go with I don't know, just this one, just for the sake of it. So it loads automatically really fast into your Dropfunnels, and you can customize the heck out of this. So you can add whatever your company has, your menu, your reviews, your booking. You can add a calendar here, you can add pictures, I mean, you name it. However you want to customize your funnel, your website, this is it right here. And if you click on any of these things right here, you can actually see that you can remove the current image that is there, and then you can just add your own. By the way, this thing, if it's in the way, you can just move it to the right or to the left or anywhere you like. And so there's a ton of things that you can do here. For example, styles, how to, if I want this little thing right here to be in a circle type of way, I will just click on circle, and as you can see, it becomes a circle. Landscape, and so on. There's a lot of options that you can do here. Really easy to use. It's kind of just drag and drop, just like the name it says, Dropfunnels. And so they have all the things that you need here: hosting, funnel creation, membership sites, everything, literally everything that you possibly need to start marketing online. It's here in Dropfunnels. So I definitely encourage you to check out what what Dropfunnels is all about. How does it work? And yeah, so just get in there. Once you're done, upgrading or doing your funnel, your website, you just click and done, publish, and that's it. If you want to go back to it, you just simply go to, or you can just click on Dropfunnels back here, and it'll bring you back to the dashboard. And again, there is videos here that explains to you what Dropfunnels is, how does it work, how to create your funnels, your first funnels, your website, and so on and so on. And again, there's a lot of frequently asked questions here that the support answers for you. They have all the training that you could possibly need. They have a Facebook community. They literally have everything you need right here, my friends. So if you are looking to create funnels, to create a website, to host your website, maybe you're tired of just hosting or paying for hosting plus a bunch of other memberships like funnel creators or product creators out there, you can just get rid of all of that, coming into Dropfunnels, have it all in one place, set up, all ready to go for you. And then you can just be on your way to start to start creating your own website, your funnels, and actually start building your list online, and just have customers that you can email on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, and just generate sales, generate leads, and overall just grow your business on online using the power of Dropfunnels, with WordPress, with hosting, with funnel creation, with everything that they have around. So with that being said, my friends, this is Jonathan Aguilar. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and most importantly, if you do want to check out Dropfunnels, remember there is a 14-day trial. So you can just simply come over here on the link below, or somewhere around this video. Find the link somewhere around this video, click on it, come over here to this page, and start your trial right now. You will be amazed by the things that you can do with Dropfunnels. And by the way, again, and I don't want to kind of create a FOMO type of situation here, but depending on when you're watching this video, the price may go up. So if you're watching it at the very beginning right now, do yourself a favor and start your Dropfunnels trial today. All right, so again, Jonathan Aguilar here. Thank you all for watching. And if you decide to come into Dropfunnels, which I highly encourage you to do so, or at least check out the free trial, I will see you on the inside, and you have a fantastic day. Bye for now.